This is made on the road. I got it straight out. Good morning guys, we are in Croatia at the Soundwave Festival. I wanted to give you a quick update because today is Tuesday, today is vlog day as always, and yeah, because we've been so busy here, I was hoping to get out my full length travel video of us leaving the UK, getting to Croatia, but it's so long, but I want it to be really good for you, so we've just filmed like a commentary for it, and I want it to just be a really entertaining video for you guys. In the meantime, I just thought I'd do a bit of an update. We played the main stage festival yesterday with Marley, and it was so nice. We didn't have the biggest of crowds because it classed as a boat party. The crowd that was there, I mean, there must have been like 100 people, and they were really nice. And loads of people came and spoke to us. We had Ruby from Submotion Orchestra come down. It was really nice to meet her in person because we've chatted on Instagram and stuff, but we've never actually fully met. We had Mr. Fatty Bassman from Submotion as well. He came down. They were incredible by the way last night. I need to stick that in here that we went to see them. They did the main stage and they were incredible. So that was really good. Who else came down? Oh, Jordan Mackay came down to watch us, which was bonkers. So that was amazing. What else have we been up to? We've been very much trying to chill in the heat. It's been 30 degrees here for the last week. It's ridiculous, but it gives an amazing reason to jump into the sea. It's like a bath down here. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys like the stages. So there's a stage down here, which is like a DJ stage, which is awesome. And so I'll wander up this way when we're wandering back up to the bus, and I'll show you where we are. Yeah, I think overall, we've not massively been doing too much. We wanted to get a lot more filming and stuff done because it's just been unbearably hot. It's been 33 degrees. When there's 5 of you in a bus trying to write music, like it's just not gonna happen on a festival site. I think if we were like in the middle of nowhere a bit more and a bit more like off grid, maybe on a little beach somewhere, I think we would have been better, but the heat's just been, whew. I think I need to, in summer seasons, focus on not being in like this kind of a heat on the bus. Well, saying that, we're going to upgrade our batteries when we get back so that we've got like house batteries. It will literally power our bus for like a month. We've met a guy who's done it and he said it's incredible, but it means we'll be able to have aircon, so that will be a game changer I think for next summer. But in the meantime, yeah, this heat's been just nuts. But I guess overall, like we're here for Soundwave Festival, we're here to play Soundwave Festival. Doing any like recording and writing was just a bonus on top because this is the main reason why we're here. So this is the stage we played yesterday, but it's a really cool stage, and yesterday went down really well. There's a massive scene of Manchester and Leeds people this whole festival. It's been wicked, and it's a shame because it's the last one that they're doing. They've been going 10 years as Soundwave, and this is the last Soundwave. Oh, that was another thing that happened down on the beach yesterday. There was a brass band called Riot Jazz. They always pop up out of the middle of nowhere, and they did that yesterday. They literally wandered on. We'll show the clip now, we've got a clip. Yeah, it's just been really nice. Everyone's been really cool. It's been a really interesting, we were talking last night about how much of an interesting mix of people it's been, because you've got the people that are here to party and you know, hardcore ravers. And then you've got people that are here to see the music. There's been Submotion Orchestra that have played. Who else have we had? Yasmin Lacey. Haley was going to play, but there was a problem with the sound. Mika Miller. Who else have we seen? There's been so many. Jordan Mackay, Loyal Kana. So it's been a really mix of artists and people, but it's been something that we've all actually really enjoyed. It's a complete mix. So it's the last night today, the last day today. It is so hot, so I think we're literally going to go get towels and just jump into the sea, have a bit of a chill, get through this intense heat for the midday, and then see if we can do something in the afternoon before all the music kicks off again in the evening. I just wanted to give you a really quick update because next week, kind of don't want to promise, but next week I'm hoping to have the week-long road trip all into one big video. I might split it off into two. if it's 45 minutes, that's going to be insane for you guys to sit and watch. So I might split it up into 2, but I'm going to get that done for you this week. I really hope you enjoy it. I really wanted to ask you guys, what is the main content that you guys love seeing on this channel? I love doing the vlogs so much, but the nature of YouTube is that people aren't like searching for those videos. And because I've been doing the vlogs for like 2 years now, I'm not in it for like massive amounts of views, but a lot of them are still getting under like 100 views. So I need to be smart. I need to like think, how can I get those views up a little bit? So if you guys have any suggestions on how I can maybe do that, what I can adapt, what I can do slightly differently so I can still keep creating the fun stuff that I want to do, but find a different way for them to get out there. I don't know if I need to find some vlogs or blogs that you guys know about, or whether or not I need to just do more reviews and then people will come over and hopefully see the vlogs. I'm not sure as of yet. So I really want to ask you guys what you recommend I do. Like I say, I really want to do the vlogs still. I really enjoy those. I enjoy sharing our journeys and our travels, but as I'm sure you can imagine as well, it seems a little bit silly focusing so much time and spending hours and hours editing them for them to get sort of like 60, 70 views. And I really appreciate those 60, 70 views because I know that you guys that are coming back and watching the vlogs are like, you're really into what we're doing, and I super appreciate that. So I want to make sure I'm making content that keeps you guys here, but I also need to start thinking a bit smart and working out how to utilize my time best, because it's so busy on the road, like trying to do the business stuff, trying to do the writing stuff, and keeping 2 employees like happy and trying to work out their jobs. It sometimes gets too much. So I need to just think a little bit smart and work out how to do it. So if you guys have any recommendations, let me know. I will speak to you guys over on Instagram quite a bit this week because we're going to be travelling with Isaac Tyler. So head over to the Instagram if you're not there already, and yeah, we're putting lots of little videos up, and I will see you next week on the vlog again with Isaac. It'll be the 2 of us, so we're going to have a bit of a road trip. Oh no, I won't be seeing you next week because next week you'll be seeing the week-long road trip, but I will see you next week. Thank you so much for tuning in. Look after each other, and remember, stay here on this channel and never stop creating. I will see you guys soon. Bye.